financial planner of an insurance company. I was born in Bohol and grew up in Pasig, Cebu City. My father was a mechanical engineer and my mother was a public school teacher. Edward and I are blessed with 5 grown-up children. As a child, I was not allowed to play with other kids. My parents were very protective and I
allows challenges in our life to steer and awaken our positive. From the book of Ephesians, chapter 5, verse 18, it says, and I quote, therefore it says, awake sleeper, and arise from the dead, and Christ will shine on you. I am Eduardo Ramas Enriquez Jr., a mechanical engineer. I am second to the eldest in the family of 6. I was born and raised in Pasig, Cebu City. My parents are also pure Cebuanos, are born and raised in Pasig, Cebu City also. Our life sharing this morning
comes from Liluan Outreach. They have 5 children. They have served in different capacities. To mention a few, they have served as AGL. They have handled BCLP Force Leader. And right now, they are a unit head. The brother is a mechanical engineer, and the wife is an accountant. Let us all welcome Mr. Eduardo and Mrs. Amalia Enriquez.